Little storyteller.
Whiskers the cat was sleek and black, like a shadow, with bright green eyes. He lived in a cozy yellow house, with a big garden. In the garden lived Blue, a goofy golden retriever, with floppy ears and a wagging tail that never stopped. The garden had bright red flowers and a little wooden fence. The sun always seemed to be shining. Whiskers loved to sneak in and out of the house through his very own special door, a little plastic flap. One sunny morning, Whiskers saw Blue looking sadly through the big glass door. Blue wanted to come inside where it was cool. Whiskers purred and swished his tail. He had an idea. He trotted over to the little cat flap and poked his head through, then his body wiggling his way into the house. It looked so easy. Blue watched with wide, hopeful eyes. He lumbered over to the small opening and tried to do the same. He pushed his big head through the flap, but his ears got stuck. "Woof!" he cried, his tail drooping a little. Whiskers patted Blue's nose with his paw. A little worried, Whiskers tried to show Blue again. He went through the flap slowly and gracefully. "Morrow," he seemed to say. "See? Just push!" Blue tried again, wiggling his body. This time his front paws went through, but his tummy was too big. He wiggled and wiggled, but he was stuck halfway. Whiskers thought hard, his little pink nose twitching. He ran to the big glass door and barked softly. Then he ran back to Blue and meowed. He looked at the door, then at Blue, then back at the door. He was trying to tell Blue something. Suddenly, Blue understood. He backed away from the little flap and ran to the big glass door. He nudged it with his nose, and it swung open. Blue's tail wagged so hard, his whole body wiggled. He trotted inside, happy and cool. Whiskers purred and rubbed against Blue's leg. Even though they were different sizes, they could still find ways to help each other. It's good to ask for help when you need it.
Please subscribe. Thank you.